Hello viewers, today I will show the Android spinner field. So what is Android spinner field? Android spinner is a like combo box. It can be used to display the multiple option to the user in which only can one item can be selected by the user. Android spinner like a drop down menu with multiple value from which end of the user can select only one item. Now we go to the real example. Spinner. Here is the spinner tag. You can set it was the ID. My spinner. You can set the margin of 20 dp. This is spinners set data from main activity. Now we go to the main activity. At first we get the spinner by spinner ID. Spinner find by id r.id dot my spinner. Okay, and then we can the set selected item listen spinner dot set on item set on item selected listener. So this now we will set the spinner array. We get the array adapter new array adapter this and dot layout dot simple spinner item my array. Then adapter dot set drop down view resource and android dot layout dot simple spinner drop down item and finally set the adapter to the spinner dot set adapter array adapter. So now we can run our project to display the spinner output. with the crash. Here the set item listener we need to implement adapter view dot on item selected listener. You can implement the method. Okay. As the selected unselected item, we get the spinner value. Get, and we will show the item value into the toast. Toast dot make test dot get application contrast my array position. The my array I need to set in global. Then to set the toast length. Toast dot length. Now we can run our project again. So here is our spinner. Drop down as the 6 items showing. When we click the any item, then this item will show into the toast. Click Java and show in the toast. This on click event not there showing. So this is spinner for Android. Thank you.